Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add voiceover to Canva video. As you can see here, we are using a template from Canva, which is a video itself. So I'm going to play this. All right. Now, to add a voiceover, you can either use the ones from Canva itself, or you can use a third-party software. For example, if you want to record from a software called Audacity, all right, just go ahead and look it up online and download Audacity from here and record your voice using it. Or if you want to, you could use CapCut right here, which is a free video editing software, and it is pretty easy to use. All right, for example, here we're gonna use the voice recorder from Canva itself. So what we're gonna do basically is just hover your mouse onto the left panel right here and select uploads. All right. Now, what you're going to do next is just go ahead and click on record yourself right here. All right. If you haven't yet, it will ask you to connect your microphone, your camera, and basically your input and output devices. All right. So what you're going to do next is just hit on the record button right here. When you click on it, there will be a countdown so you can prepare. All right. Let's say, for example, I'm going to click on record. So you can see here 3, 2, 1, and go ahead and say the voiceover. Right, as you can see here, let's explore France with Olivia Wilson. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and here's another travel blog. All right, once done, just go ahead and hit on done, and you're probably gonna hear the awkward intro and say the voiceover. All right, as you can see here, let's explore France with Olivia Wilson. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and here's another travel blog. All right, as you can see here, it is done. So what we're gonna do basically is just drag this new recording to the video itself. Drag and drop. Go ahead and say the voiceover. All right, I'm gonna pause it. So let's play the video itself. You can minimize this one as well. You can go ahead and make it smaller or make it disappear later. I'm gonna teach you how to do so. All right. And go ahead and say the voiceover. Right, as you can see here, let's explore France with Olivia Wilson. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and here's another travel blog. All right, once done, just go ahead and hit on. All right, that's basically it. If you want to use CapCut, all right, just go ahead and open up your CapCut. And by the way, if you don't know how to save your project, just go ahead and hit on share, download, and select the file format, MP4 video, hit on download. All right, and wait for the downloading process to finish. Now, when using Canva, just go ahead and create a project right here, upload or import your video. For example, I'm gonna use my shorts right here. This one, I'm gonna drag it here, and for example, I want to mute this particular video, and to add my voiceover, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit on this recording button right here, which says voiceover. All right, so I'm gonna click on it and hit on record right here to start recording. Click. 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here is my highlight for the game of CS2. Look at this one right here. I'm not good at voiceovers, but there you have it. Well, once you're done, just go ahead and hit on the recording button once again. Close this one. And for example, I'm going to play this. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here is my highlight for the game of CS2. Look at this one right here. I'm not good at voiceovers, but there you have it. Well, all right. So if you want to save this video with your voiceover, just go ahead and hit on export right here at the top right. Click on that and rename it with a voiceover or whatever you want to. All right, and just hit on export. As you can see here, it's almost done. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. And here's a preview. Here is my highlight for the game of CS2. Look at this one right here. I'm not good at voiceovers, but there you have it. Well, all right. Well, you get the point now. I'm going to close this one and to open the ones from Canva. This one, save. And it's being saved on my folder. So I'm going to go ahead and play it. And go ahead and say the voiceover. Right, as you can see here, let's explore France with Olivia Wilson. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and here's another travel blog. All right, once done, just go ahead and hit on one. All right, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.